By the blessings of God, I've got roles with which I can experiment. Like in Yuva, I had a director like Mani Ratnam who wanted that kind of look for the film. He wanted a raw look. He wanted a de-glamorized look. Like he wanted a girl who is very educated. At the same time, she's from a lower middle class family, and she has to look that character. So I had to wear cotton saris which were like washed 100 times before I actually wore it in the film. So like to give it a feel that it's worn several times. I've got very good responses for like Yuva, and people have reacted very well. Thankfully, God has been kind. That in big star cast film, like if you get noticed, I think it's a very big thing. From the last 2-3 years, I've been doing films because I want to be part of good cinema and I want to be working with the people who I enjoy working with and who I have a comfort level with. हम तुम में मेरा किरदार जो है इट्स जस्ट लाइक द गर्ल दैट आई एम जो कि मतलब एजुकेटेड है मॉडर्न है और but yet having traditional values or Indian by heart. My role varies from an age from 21 to 28. तो वो 10 साल में मतलब उसके साथ क्या क्या होता है how she matures with each phase in her life and how at different ages how she is. So the film is about that. I'm very happy that Kunal thought of me for this film और उनको मेरे पर भरोसा था और मुझे उन पर क्योंकि वी ऑलरेडी डन अ फिल्म एक कंफर्ट लेवल था टू बी वर्किंग विथ हिम और जब मैंने कहानी सुनी पहली बार तो मेरा इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन यही था स्क्रिप्ट नरेशन के बाद कि मुझे ये पिक्चर करनी है. आई लव द सॉन्ग्स ऑफ हम तुम स्पेशली रोमांटिक सॉन्ग. शी रियली एंजॉयड डूइंग देम एंड I guess there's a song which is like my solo song called Gore Gore Se Chore, and I really like that number because Ria at that point of time is very much like me. If I look the character, half my battle is won. When I'm playing Ria, I'm supposed to be very glamorous. I'm supposed to be a today's girl, really hot and happening. At the same time, she's modern and yet traditional. ये फिल्म में सैफ अली खान जो कि करण कपूर का किरदार निभा रहे हैं, he's a cartoonist in the film and he's the one who has invented this hum and tum cartoon characters. तो कैसे ये कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स मुझे और सैफ को डिपिक्ट करते हैं फिल्म में इट्स लाइक अबाउट दैट बट इट्स नॉट एज इफ वी आर हैविंग टू डू एनीथिंग विद द कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स. सैफ की मम्मी बंगाली है और उनके साथ मेरा कॉमन टॉपिक ये रहता था कि सैफ मुझे बोलते थे कि मुझे बंगाली में कुछ चीज़ बताओ ताकि मैं अपनी मम्मी को जाके मतलब सुना दूँ. तो हमारे बीच में वो एक मतलब बंगाली कनेक्शन. इट इज़ अ न्यू एज सेंसिबिलिटी. इट इज़ अबाउट अ बॉय एंड गर्ल ऑफ टुडे हाउ दे वुड टॉक in a date or how would they react to a situation and I think the differences between a man and a woman like if they are placed in a similar situation how a woman would react and how she would think of the entire thing and how a man would because women are more caring and they're more emotional and the men are little what do you say immature and they never want to grow up.